Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage user awareness training with KnowBe4, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your KnowBe4 account. Upon logging in, navigate to the Training tab on the dashboard. Select User Awareness Training from the drop-down menu. You will see an overview of your training programs. Click on Create Program to initiate a new training program. Choose the type of training you want to offer, such as phishing simulations or security awareness training. Follow the prompts to name your training program and provide a brief description. Next, set the schedule for your training sessions. Select the frequency, duration, and specific dates for the training. Now, move on to the Users section to select your training participants. You can choose individuals, groups, or entire departments based on your needs. Once you have selected your users, click Add to Program. Then, configure the training modules by selecting from available options. You can customize the modules to align with your organization's specific requirements. Preview the modules to ensure they meet your standards. After reviewing, click on Confirm Selection to finalize your training modules. Next, set up notifications for your users regarding the training. This will keep them informed about upcoming sessions and requirements. Then, review all the settings for your training program to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Launch Program to start the training. Monitor the progress of your users through the reporting dashboard. You can track completion rates and participation metrics. Use this data to assess the effectiveness of your training program. Finally, gather feedback from your users to improve future training sessions. Incorporate their input to enhance the overall training experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.